I can't believe I'm like wide awake right now.
I'm very wide awake. Well, we slept till 11.
Yeah, so
Yeah, exactly. We like. We have only. I've not been up before.
Great news. Good news is you found Max and Duke's apartment. The great news is I found a
Like I
friend.
said, in pets you just sit and then they go see
Oh, Max, look, more puppies are coming in.
Oh wow, there's just so many of them.
Hey, little guys.
So how do I put this delicately, you're strays?
Wouldn't it be great if someone could just adopt all of them?
Sure, but they don't exactly look house trained.
Hey, maybe I could adopt one.
Duke, I love you, man, but you are barely house trained yourself.
All those wildfires in the room, they collected little plastic bags.
Why?
Who knows? They're nuts. Well, that's it. And our next
Everyone's touched. It's all over. But don't worry, everyone be looking at me. All right, keep it moving. You in the back, why you moving so slow? Use that puppy energy. Move it. Move it. You guys want to practice wagging your tails? You in the middle. Wiggle your butt. That's not bad. All right.
Is easy on trains inside here.
He's like, you're all gonna die! Oh, man, here we go! I'm so excited. My whole body's sweating. We are talking a full body way. Well, let's do this. Choose.
Good luck, puppies! And just remember, whatever happens, I will forget about you by tomorrow. I'm sorry about that. It's just, you know, there's a lot going on in my life, and you're not really my priorities.
Don't be jealous. Some of us get boxes. Some of us get super cool high-tech drugs. Come on! Go down and go out. Don't worry. If there was danger, my button senses would warn us. Check out my button cop. Yeah. You can go home now. You can see it all.
You were trespassing in my alley. Oh, yeah, this way and that.
Wait! I love cats! Now! Oh, my ground! No! Okay, good one, guys. Let me
Strap myself to a rock. These rockets gonna push the petrol twice as fast.
This plan was crazy. This shit worked.
This is gonna be great! You're gonna be all fluffy and fluffy, and you're gonna get adopted in no time. What do you think?
Let's do it.
Oh, just wait till you spend the night in this thing. Oh, that's good.
You welcome, people. It's a celebration.
Yay, we did it! Get back there and watch stuff. You're a pet now. Remember, great odor.
Welcome home. As you return, please lift your arms and your lap bar will raise automatically.
You guys